Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this LG Smart TV. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your TV. These videos for education purpose only. Remember to back up everything, like for example, you have pictures in there, videos. You need to back it up first before you do this because everything will be removed. It's gonna be like the first time you turn on your TV. So make sure you save everything because everything will be removed. Okay, also if you are signing into an account, it will be signing out too. So make sure all your accounts, you have your username and password, because after that, if you don't have it, then you're not gonna be able to sign in. Okay, so we're gonna use the LG remote control. Okay, the remote control that came with your TV, not the Roku, not the Fire Stick or something like that, just your TV remote. So you need to press home button. I want to do the factory reset because when I go to the internet right here, sometimes I like to search the internet with my TV, and when I go to Google, sometimes it says not enough memory. So that's why I want to factory reset it. But remember, also all your apps that you download will be removed. So press the home button here. I know this is the home button, and then you see I have all the apps that I have here, and right here on the right up corner there is like this little star. So go click in there. That's the settings, and this menu upper on the left. So from here you go down, where it says all settings, right there. Click it. And from here you go down. With the arrow keys here you can go up, down, left, right. So let's go down. It's in general. So go to general right there, and then go to the right, and now go down. You see right there where it says reset to initial settings, click it. And then important, resetting will delete all your account settings and installed apps. These actions cannot be undone. Do you want to continue? Yes, I am, because I don't have to save anything. If you do, go ahead and save whatever you need to save and then do it, okay? Okay. So you see right now it's resetting my TV. That's me right there.
Please press the OK wheel button on your remote.
Okay, so like I said, it's like when you turn on your TV for the first time. So
OK. Confirm your location and language settings. Navigate with left, right, up, down and OK. Language English. English. Check. Espagnol. Français. English. English. Language English. English. Check. Language English. English. Check. Espagnol. English. Check. Espagnol. Français. Uncheck.
okay, from here you follow the steps.
ADAC. Uncheck. Honolulu. Uncheck. Phoenix. Chicago. Uncheck. Chicago. Checked. OK. Button. Audio guidance is currently turned on to assist the visually impaired. Do you want to keep audio guidance turned on? No, yes.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it.
Button.
Okay, home. So now you need to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Okay, I just connected to the internet. Legal notice, next. I agree. Select all terms use, agree. User agreement, select view information, voice, I agree. Get ready to watch TV. Dice connect all TV equipment and other devices now for easy setup. No, I don't want that, just start. Skip. Get ready to watch TV. How do you get your service? It's gonna choose antenna, okay? No, it doesn't allow me. So cable satellite, HDMI port, cable satellite. No. Zip code 606. Okay. Okay. You are almost done. Now let's move. Channel tuning. I need antenna, but I don't have antenna, so I'm just gonna close it. You see, I don't have any antenna, so but that's the way you factory reset your TV. So now you can connect your Fire Stick or your Roku, or you can just go to YouTube using your internet. So now my TV is a factory reset. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, check my other videos, and give me a like, subscribe. That's the only way you can help me. I'm trying to fix everything I can. Right now, say updating YouTube, because the version that it was there, it was kind of old. So right now my TV is updating everything. So it says application has been successfully updated. And right there is YouTube. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.